General relativity opened up the idea that the rulers and protractors, that is the measurement devices, which Einstein would have called a Riemannian or a pseudo-Riemannian metric, just a fancy name for rulers and protractors, an ability to take lengths and angles. You can allow those to vary from place to place. Whereas in special relativity, once you've set the rulers and protractors at one point in space-time, every other point in space-time inherits the same rulers and protractors, only at that new point. So Einstein's great insight 10 years after his famous 1905 Annus Mirabilis was to say, what if we allow the rulers and protractors to become dynamic and part of the system, and we feed back the information of the measuring devices and the measured. So the measurer and the measuree are in a dance with each other, which we call the Einstein field equation. In this situation that we're talking about, it's weird because prices measure quantities. So the ruler of quantities that we would measure quantities by would be prices. Right? If you buy 3 carrots from your supermarket to put into a salad, or you buy a 3-carat diamond is probably a lot smaller, but it's much more valuable. So the economic ruler tends to be the pricing system. On the other hand, if you want to measure the prices, then you're using a quantity ruler. Now, both your rulers are varying, right? Because your economy is creating different levels of output from moment to moment, and the prices are moving around. And so it's kind of a wonderfully diabolical situation in which the ruler of prices is goods, the ruler of goods is prices. Both rulers are moving around, and we call the measurement devices that allow us to measure each in terms of the other price and quantity indexes.